this video, I will be explaining to you some concepts, especially for the computation part. No? So before we proceed, let us first take a look at the objective. The objective that we will be focusing on are the following. No? Use different ways of expressing concentration of solution, percent composition, mole fraction, molality, ppm, and ppb. Later on, we will be going through with the specification specifically on the computation part, no? Kasi yun yung kadalasan na dapat nyo talagang master the computation parts. And the next one is perform stoichiometric calculation for reactions in solution. So we'll focus on these two. And yung sa last one din, no, I'll try to as much as possible include that one, yung sa describe the effect of concentration on the colligative properties of solution. So now without further ado, let's proceed with the concept. So we know yung concept natin in terms of the percent composition, I mean the concentration or the properties of solution. We are familiar with these formulas. Yan. So it is being placed parang as 1 na siya, no? Dito sa table 2.2 on page 22. But to somehow actually to get a glimpse or grasp of understanding deeper on this concept, I actually subdivided or grouped them according to their purpose or ano yung kino-compute nila. So in this case, I identified three different types of the things that you need to compute. First, we have the percent. Second is the mole, and we have the last one, we have the parts. So for the percent, meron tayong be reminded that meron tayong tatlo. We only have three, no? Three for the percent, okay, computation. So we have first the mass, the volume, and mass by volume. And sa mole naman, we have mole fraction, molarity, and diluting molar solution. And for the last part, sa parts naman, we have only two, parts per million and parts per billion. Let's proceed muna class sa percent, no? By percent. We're getting the solution, the concentration of a solution in percentage. So basically, we'll start with the mass. Kapag sinabi natin percentage, we are just trying to get the sample, no? The sample, the amount of sample in a particular population. Parang ganun yung idea niya. So when it comes into solution, we know that this solution in our equation, the solution is made up of solute plus solvent. Yan. The solution is made up of solute and solvent. Well, sa equation natin na by percentage, binibilang natin kung ilan yung amount ng solute in percentile sa buong solution. Okay? We're just getting the fraction of the solute to the entirety of the solution, and we will be multiplying it with 100%, and that's how you get the percentage of the solute. Okay? So that's good for all, no? Ganyan yung idea niya sa mass, volume, and mass by volume. So basically, we'll proceed first with the mass. Kapag sinabi nating mass, the unit that we are using is just in grams. There are times that there are problems na merong ginagamitan natin ng mga kilograms and other units. However, in this case, common yung grams. So we will be using the grams. Yung example nito ng ating formula, no? We have this on page 23, equation 2.2. So later on, we'll go through that, no? So actually, this is just the overview muna ng ating explanation on the concepts of these equations. Now let's proceed with the next one. We'll proceed with the volume naman. The volume, as which we can see, no, they are just merely the same with the mass. This is technically the same in a way na yung kinukuha lang din nilang percentage is yung solute lang din. Look at this. Yung difference lang nila is yung unit. When you're looking for the percentage of the solute, that is always in the solution, no? So, yung kaibahan lang din nila is the denotation, kung ano yung percentage siya. Okay? Yung ating mass is denoted as W. Bakit siya W? Kasi, kapag gagamitan nyo siya ng M, yung M kasi is for mole. Okay? Yan yung difference nila. Kung gagamitan nyo lang M, we will be having conflict in understanding the concept of moles. Kasi yung moles is denoted by small letter M, while yung mass is denoted by small w. Yun. That's why we're having here percent by mass. So this is mass of the solute and mass of the solution. So class, for you to understand deeper on this, later again we'll go through with the specific problem. And we're done with mass. Now, we'll proceed with the volume naman. And yung sa volume naman, the same thing lang siya. You are getting the percentage of this solute sa entirety ng solution in volume. Okay? So, in that case, class, for you to get the percentage sign or this unit, no, this is not actually the unit, ito yung denotation niya in terms of percentage, kailangan nyo lang i-cancel yung both units. Okay? Kung sa mass, you have to cancel both the grams, and yung sa volume naman, ika-cancel nyo naman yung ml. Okay? So, those are the basic difference ng mass and volume in terms of the percentage. Now, we'll proceed with the third one, mass by volume. In this case, class, do not be confused because minerge lang naman natin yung unit ng mass by volume. So in this case, yung titingnan natin is that the denotation here, we have the mass over volume. So basically, usually, the solute are the solids and they are the ones that dissolves in the solution. So in this case, yung gagamitan natin ng mass is yung solute lang. Okay? Ito lang siya, yung solute lang. And we are gonna be using also the unit of volume sa ating solution. So again, class, we also have to multiply it by 100%. That will give us these three equation. That is just for the percentage lang muna. So yung mga example ng mga equations nila, for the volume we have on page 23, equation 2.4. Example naman ng mass by volume sa equation 2.6, no? So I think it's page 24 or 23 na. Yun lang muna, class. We'll continue with the next video.